Hello everyone, this is Arina Tawfiq and today we are going to start a new topic, that is pressure, from lesson 11. Before we start pressure, let us take an example. You must have noticed that it is easier to cut an apple with a sharp knife than a blunt knife. Do you know what is the reason behind it? The reason is, if we take a sharp knife to cut an apple, the force applied by our hand is distributed over a small area. Therefore, a large pressure is applied over the surface of an apple and the cutting becomes easier. On the contrary, if we use a blunt knife, the same force will be distributed over a large area and the pressure applied to the surface of the apple would decrease. Hence, the cutting of an apple will become uneasy. Now, let us take an example of drawing pin. When we push the pin, we apply force at the broader end of the pin. The force gets transferred to the narrow pointed end. As a result, the point experiences greater amount of pressure and it pierces the board. So we can define pressure that it is a result of force applied per unit area. So the pressure is equal to force upon area, and force is measured in Newton and area in meter square. So the unit is Newton per meter square. Now the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. It is named after Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician and physicist. So Newton per meter square can also be written as Pascal. So from the formula we can say, if the force increases, then the pressure increases, and if the pressure increases, then the force also increases. Now here, if the area is larger, then the pressure exerted by the force will be smaller. If the area is smaller, then the pressure exerted by the force will be larger. Now let us take other examples. Now there are number of situations where the area is increased to reduce pressure. You must have noticed the difference between the width of tires of motorcycle and a truck. The tires of truck are heavy and heavy vehicles are made broad and thick. So the force exerted by the heavy weight of the vehicle is distributed over a wide area and the pressure on the road is reduced. Similarly, the pillars of bridges and flyovers have a broad base. So the pressure to the heavy weight of the bridge becomes bearable to the ground. Now let us calculate one numerical. Suppose force is given 1000 Newton and area is given 5 meter square. Now we are asked to calculate pressure. So we will apply the formula pressure is equal to force upon area. We have taken force here, that is 1000, and area, that is 5. Then we will calculate it and we will get the answer 200, and the unit is Newton per meter square. Now as you know that Newton meter can also be written as Pascal, or the Pascal can be written as Newton per meter square. So we can also write Newton per meter square as Pascal.